dirt cheap Cinewhoop. Any good? Let's find out. Okay, got the Cloud 149. I'm just gonna show you how to wire up an RX, and then we're gonna test fly this thing and see if it's any good. This JST connector is the one we want, so it's the one away from the ESC JST. All right, so after we do that, we wanna take the red wire, 5 volt for all FR Sky receivers, or use the green wire for Spectrum receivers with the 3.3 volt, and the blue wire for S-Bus, and black is for ground. We want to wire that up. All right, fast forwarding a little bit, I've gone ahead and mounted the receiver here, zip tied it down, put another zip tie for the antenna, and everything's ready to go. I put the landing gear on the bottom, went into Betaflight and configured the settings how I like them. So I'm gonna throw a pack on there and let's do a hover test. It recommends an 850 pack, but I only have 1300 or 520. So I'm gonna use 520 just to get it in the air. Let's go do that. Okay, so just a quick hover test. Okay, so I went ahead and put my rates in it. Here's my rates if you want to copy them down. I didn't change anything else other than give it a little anti-gravity, and I was wrong. It's running Betaflight 4.0.4, so that's good. Doesn't have a really old Betaflight on here. Other than that, I haven't changed much. I thermalex to gyro instead of set point. Brought down throttle boost. Just some little minor things that I do. So let's get out there and fly it. I went ahead and swapped the props to the ducted HQ props because these were a bit, kind of felt loose in the air. So let's see if this helped any. Okay, not bad at all. So that definitely needed these HQ ducted props. It gave it a little bit more control, stability, a little extra power. So definitely get rid of these. I'll put a link to these props. This is my preferred prop for all ducted quads. So really was pretty nice, pretty stable. It does come with a Hero 7 mount, I believe. So you can do HD footage. I'm not gonna do all that now, but I just wanted to test it as a super cheap $170 quad Cinewhoop, 3-inch Cinewhoop. I'm very impressed. It's not a premium thing, but for someone who's just getting started or someone who wants to see what flying a Cinewhoop is like without spending $400 or $500, this is a great option. Giving this away on my Patreon if you want to join. I'll put a link to that below as well. I'm giving this away, and I'm also giving away this 65X HD, I think 4K quad. Get to the Patreon, take a look at that, all kind of other stuff, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.